Hi, I'm Renata, founder of Dreadshop, and in this video I am going to talk about the most frequently asked questions we receive on a daily basis about synthetic dreadlocks. And in the description box under this video I created a timeline for you, so you can easily find the question that you want to see answered and what time I do that. And if you are interested in real dreads, I have recorded a video with the most frequently asked questions about real dreadlocks as well. And I will add a link in the description box too. So for now, enjoy watching this video. What type of dreads should I choose? We have different types of dreadlocks in our assortment. And it's a very personal thing, like what suits you. There's the option for thinner dreadlocks or a bit thicker dreadlocks. But what is your style? We are talking about this in another video, and we are going into this very deeply because not just me, but the other girls have experience in wearing both thinner and thicker dreadlocks. But also we have the option for different lengths. So for example, I'm wearing the bum length dreadlocks at the moment, but there's also a shorter option. So when will you go for the shorter option? Is it just how it looks, or is it also maybe like more comfortable? And that's where we are going to talk about in that video and go very deep into that. So make sure to watch that video. I will add a link in the description box. How many dreads do I need? Well, first of all, this depends on how much volume you want. We have two different types of dreadlocks that we sell. That's a single-ended dreadlock, which is just one dreadlock with a loop on top on which you can braid in your hair. And then we have the double-ended dreadlock. You just braid your hair in onto one side of this dreadlock. And as you can see, this will give more volume than just one. On average, we advise to use 2 bundles of the single-ended dreadlocks combined with 2 bundles of the double-ended dreadlocks. Unless, for example, you want very much volume, then you can choose, for example, 3 bundles of double-ended with 1 single-ended. Or if you don't want a crazy amount of volume, you can go for more single-ended and just add 1 bundle of double-ended. But on average, you will need 4 bundles for a full head of dreadlocks. How can I install synthetic dreadlocks myself? Well, I created an online mini course for you in which I guide you in this whole process. Interested in the mini course? You can just get paid access, of course, and I will add a link to the course in the description box. How long can I keep my dreads in? We advise a wearing period of around 2 months. And then you will notice that the hair at the roots will get very fluffy. Your dreads are grown out a bit, so it will also be a bit uncomfortable to wear them. And if it's not and you're still feeling very happy with them, you can leave them in up to 3 months. But that's about the longest time we advise to wear them, because if you wear them longer, your hair at the roots will get very knotty and it will be hard to have that all combed out, and it also can be a bit painful then. So around 2 months with a maximum of 3 months is our advice. Can I reuse my dreadlocks? Yes, for sure. The locks of love that we sell on our website are the highest quality on the market, and they are reusable endlessly. When you take them out, you can easily wash them either by hand or use a laundry bag and wash them in the washing machine just on 30 degrees and hang them out to dry, and they're all clean and good to go to be reused again. Can you wash your dreadlocks? Yes, you can, and you will notice that it will also be very comfortable to wash them, because your scalp can become itchy while you wear the dreadlocks. And washing your dreads and your scalp will really calm down that itchiness. To wash your dreadlocks, I really advise to use a spray shampoo or a cleansing spray. And I will add the links to these products in the description box as well. And I have also created a separate video about how to wash synthetic dreadlocks. So make sure to watch that as well to see how you can wash your dreadlocks on the right way. How often should I wash my synthetic dreadlocks? I advise a washing routine of once a week, and that will really help your scalp to stay healthy and not too oily. And in between those washes you can just use a refreshing spray to have a nice scent, to have your scalp healthy, to calm down the itchiness and to freshen up your dreadlocks. What can I do against itchiness? When your scalp is itchy, I highly recommend to use a refreshing spray from Dreadlocks in between your washes, because washing will also help with the itchiness. So wash your dreadlocks once a week, and then in between those washes you can use the refreshing spray as soon as you feel the itchiness come up. So that can be on a daily basis, or maybe just once or twice a week, or every other day. Just listen to your scalp. What can I do against tension bumps or a dry scalp? Well, I've already spoken about the washing routine and using a refreshing spray in between those washes, and that will already really help against those tension bumps and against a dry scalp. If that is not enough for you, like some people really are very sensitive, the scalp can be very sensitive and you have a lot of tension bumps. They mostly come up in your neck or maybe like in the front hairline. Those are like red bumps that can be itchy. If you want to help those tension bumps calm down, you can use a oil on them. Like the hydrating oil from Rarus is really helpful, or the conditioning oil from Dreadlocks. They both do great work against those tension bumps and also against the dry scalp. So I would really advise those products for that. Does it hurt to have synthetic dreads? Well, the installation can be a bit painful. It really depends per person. But if the dreads are installed very tight, then yes, it can hurt. So please make sure to go to a professional or to watch my mini course in which I talk about this and in which I guide you how to install your dreads the best way. Because too tight is not good for your scalp and it will be painful. If the dreads are installed on the correct way, it will maybe be a little bit painful, but only the first couple of days. And while wearing your dreadlocks, it will not be painful at all. The only thing you will notice is that you have weight on your head, and that is something you have to get used to. That's another thing, but that's not a painful thing. It's just something you need to get used to. How much does it cost? You can find all our prices on our website. We have different types of dreadlocks, and with those different types comes different prices. So make sure to check out our website to find the right prices. And if you also want to have your dreadlocks installed in our salon, just check out our salon in the header and you will find the prices of installing over there as well. And of course I will also add a link in the description box for this. What are the dreads made of? Well, I have been to my supplier myself and I have seen the whole process of how they create the dreadlocks. And also the material that they use, I have a big say in this. So what I wanted from my material is that it doesn't have a chemical coating. So my dreadlocks are all made from hand-on hair without any chemical coating, because a chemical coating can really be sore on your head. It can cause itchiness and irritation, bumps, and that's something, of course, I don't want to happen. So I really stand behind the material that is used in the dreadlocks, and all the dreadlocks are made from different color tones. So not just one color per dreadlock, they are all mixed colors, so they really have a natural look. How can I learn to make and install synthetic dreadlocks on a professional way myself? Well, we have developed an online course for this, and in this course I will guide you together with my team in becoming a synthetic dreadlock stylist yourself. You will become a professional into this field. And we will not just learn you how to make synthetic dreadlocks in the Locks of Love style and how to install them, like which sectioning pattern do you need, how do you advise your clients, but also so many more around it. The whole business aspect is integrated in the course as well. So you will really be a professional business owner when you have completed this course. And also you will become a professional in our community. There's a worldwide community of professional dreadlock stylists, and yes, we all support each other and we are all doing this on a professional level. This is our work. So make this your work is possible, and you can find a link in the description box to the course. And yes, I hope to see you there. Where is your salon based? Well, our salon is based in the Netherlands, and we have clients coming in here from all over the world. And that's something I feel very proud of, and I'm honored that people are coming here from all over the world. You're very welcome here, but I have to say that we have a web shop and we ship worldwide. And we also have an online course in which we guide people to become a professional synthetic dreadlock stylist. And we have people all around the world who are following our course and already have followed our course. So make sure to check out if someone is close to you. Yeah, that might be easier, of course. And also we offer the option to install the dreads yourself. I have created a mini course in which I show you exactly how to do this yourself. Maybe I will see you here in the salon one day, and if you are going to visit one of our students or affiliates, say hi to them. So those were the frequently asked questions about synthetic dreads that we receive on a daily basis. I hope you enjoyed watching and that you have found what you were looking for. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to see more videos about dreadlocks. And make sure to subscribe to our newsletter as well, to be the first one informed about new products, new courses, new updos, etc. And if you want to see dreadheads on a daily basis, make sure to follow us on Instagram as well. See you in the next one. Bye!